Hey guys, I know some of you have been struggling with finding entries to pass your prop firm challenge. Now, in the previous video, I introduced you guys SMRT ALGO, and many of you guys went ahead and purchased a plan with SMRT ALGO, and some of you have passed your prop firm challenges, including myself. Guys, this is the best TradingView indicator that you can find on the market for it to be able to pass your prop firm challenge and stay funded. This can also give you daily signals for you to trade your personal account to take your trading to the next level. Now, without wasting time, guys, let me take you onto the screen so that I can show you the features, the pricing, and then I'll take you onto TradingView and show you some of the signals that you will be able to get with SMRT ALGO. Let's get started. So we are here on the screen. As you can see, this is their homepage, the homepage for SMRT ALGO. You can trade smarter by using SMRT ALGO starting today, guys. Right now they have a Labor Day sale, which is 25% off all plans. If you use the link that is in the description of the video, you're going to get that discount and you'll get amazing offers once you use the discount link that is in the description of this video. Remember, use only the links that I'm leaving in the description of the video so that you can get the amazing offers. So let's look at the features of SMRT ALGO. It is used by funded traders worldwide to pass prop firm challenges. I'll also show you guys my certificate, the email I received from a prop firm showing that I've actually passed my evaluation and I am funded, guys. I'll show you, and I used this same indicator in combination with a one candlestick strategy to achieve these amazing results, guys. So these are some of the indicators you'll be able to get. The SMRT ALGO suite, I'll show you that on TradingView. You'll also see the Smart Money Toolkit, which shows you the break of structure, change of character, all those things you guys know. Instead of you doing that manually, these indicators will be able to show you that in real time on TradingView. Let's go and look at the pricing quickly so that you guys can be able to see what the pricing is like. Some of you last time were asking me about the pricing, and I'll show you that in this video. And by the way, the people who actually purchased a plan from last time's video have been able to use these indicators to actually pass their prop firm challenges. Some of them are using these indicators to trade their personal accounts and they are seeing better results. I believe this is going to really help you. Mostly if you combine this with a one candlestick strategy, it will give you very good entries for you to be able to trade better, guys. The pricing is monthly, lifetime, and quarterly. The best value for your money is the lifetime one, this one here. For this one, you just pay once in your life and you don't have to pay again. This first one here is a monthly plan whereby you have to pay every month $87. But if you apply the discount, you'll get a slightly lower price. And then there's this quarterly where you pay for 3 months. Actually, the quarterly one is cheaper than you paying monthly, because for 3 months you get at 129 instead of paying 87 times 3, which would be almost like 250 something, 260 almost. So this is a very good saving if you get the quarterly plan. And also if you get the lifetime one, you don't have to pay any more money anytime soon. You get it once for life. And the lifetime one has all of the indicators, all of them. SMRT ALGO indicator suite, 8 advanced indicators, Pro version 4 indicators, Smart Money Toolkit, and trading setups and ideas. All these you get them when you get the lifetime one. Quarterly plan has the same as the monthly plan, so you can choose any of these for you to make your purchase. And some of you were asking me what options they have for you to make your purchase. You can purchase, if you for example choose a plan, let's say this lifetime one, you can pay by Visa card and MasterCard. Look down here, you can use Stripe, you can use MasterCard, you can use Visa, you can use American Express. You can use all those payment methods. I believe everyone around the world who has a bank account has a Visa card, so you can use that to make your payment. Enough with all this. You can go on the website and look at all this, okay, including this member profit. You can look at all these testimonials for you to also feel more secure and be more well acquainted with the website. But for now, I want to take you on TradingView and show you guys what I have on TradingView. can see this is one of the signals I sent to the VIP signals group, a buy on gold, which actually went and hit take profit. And this buy, I confirmed it using the 1 candlestick strategy plus the SMRT ALGO version 4. Let me turn it on so that you guys can see. As you can see up here to the left, this is the same signal that the indicator gave me. You can see here, gave me the stop loss down, the take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and you can see that it has reached take profit 2. And for me, the trade that I sent out to the VIP signals channel, this one was already reached already a 2 to 1, so that one is already a secured profit for the members who are in the VIP signals group. So you can also look behind here and you can see all of the signals it has been giving. The signals are very accurate. You can just see all the signals that it has been giving in the past have been giving almost a 70% win rate, guys. And also when you look down here, it has a dashboard which shows you the strength, to give you the volume, to give volatility of the instrument, to give you the trend, the current trend, which is bullish. That is why I told you guys, when you combine this with the 1 candlestick strategy, you'll get amazing results, because now with this one, you don't even need to do research to find out what the trend is before you mark your 1 candlestick strategy to trade it. This indicator tells you the trend of the market immediately. All right, so that is one of the signals I got from this indicator just this week. All right, and I was able to pass my challenge. Now let me show you the indicators that come with SMRT ALGO. When you make your purchase, when you purchase a plan, you will be able to see this when you go to indicators up here, indicators. You'll be able to see this window here, and then there is a last option here that says invite only. Now this option, you can only see it once you've purchased a plan. If you've not purchased a plan, you'll not see this. Okay, when I click here, I have all of these indicators, because for me, I got the lifetime one. Okay, got the lifetime package, so I got everything. All this, the indicators are here. All right, so I have the MACD SMRT ALGO, I have the supply and demand SMRT ALGO. The supply and demand one, it draws supply and demand automatically for you on the chart. You don't have to do all the work. All this is done for you automatically, and you can see these levels are pretty much accurate. All right, that is the supply and demand one. You can also go to version Pro 3, which is the one which is the most popular one. This one, version 3 here. Put it on the chart, you'll be able to see that it will show you signals which are very accurate. You can see the Pro version 3 also gave us here entry, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. These signals are all accurate. Now, when you purchase a plan, you'll get this entire suite. You can decide to use the Pro version 3, or you can decide to use the Pro version 4. But if you look at how these indicators work, guys, they are pretty much amazing, and the results that you get by using this are really amazing. Okay, so let me show you just one more, the SMRT ALGO suite or the toolkit. By the way, they also have a scalping bot. You can use this bot if you have a broker connected to TradingView. You can use the SMRT ALGO bot, the scalper bot. You can also use the swing SMRT ALGO. There are so many which you can choose to use. Okay, but let me show you guys the Smart Money toolkit so that you can see the Smart Money toolkit, how it draws the levels automatically for you. On the chart, you can see clearly that there is now an indicator that is drawing for you break of structure, change of character, break of structure, change of character. All this is drawn for you automatically. You don't have to do anything. It removes all the heavy load of analyzing from your hands, and you'll be able to trade peacefully and trade with peace of mind, guys. So you can see this one shows you a break of structure, and then you could trade. This is a Smart Money toolkit. It also has a sweep of liquidity. It has all those things that you know about smart money concepts. Also, you can see to the top right here, it shows you the trend of the market. Daily is bullish, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bullish. For gold, it is showing you signals for gold on the current chart. This indicator, the Smart Money toolkit, is for traders who want to trade smart money concept. Instead of you doing all the analysis, the indicator will draw for you change of character, break of structure, and it will show you the current trend of the market. You don't have to do anything. All right, it will show you all of those levels. Also, you can see down here, it shows you the volume, the trading volume here, 64%, 35%, break of structure here, and the market went up. You can see break of structure here, market went up. This is the best indicator that you can use on TradingView. It will help you to pass your perform challenge. Now, you guys have heard me say pass perform challenge, and you want to see evidence. Let me show you guys right here. You can see right here on funded trader markets, I actually passed my two-step funded challenge 50k account. So I have already passed this challenge and I'm already funded. I'm going to start trading this account in the coming weeks, and I'll be giving you guys updates on how I am progressing until I make a withdrawal. So you can also follow that series. I'm going to restart the series on perform using this indicator and the one candlestick strategy. So guys, you can see this is evidence that I did pass my challenge. I can show you here, I have my certificate here which shows that I am funded. This is my certificate right here. You can see this is my certificate. I'll also put a bigger picture so that you can see that this is my certificate that shows that I'm funded. You can see on the 27th of this same month, I got funded using SMRT ALGO. So guys, I'm telling you, this indicator works because it has also worked for so many other people. Use the code in the description of the video, guys, to get a good price from SMRT ALGO and start using it today. It will really be beneficial for your trading, guys. I wouldn't recommend you something that I have not used myself and seen that it works very well. Spare some money, sign up with SMRT ALGO, and you could be on your way to getting funded and see a change in your trading career. Guys, take advantage of this. Jump onto this, purchase a plan with SMRT ALGO, and let us all take our trading to the next level. If you have any questions, any concerns, let me know in the comment section down below, guys. I'll be able to help you out in anything that you may need help with, guys. But be sure to only use the link that I'm going to provide in the description of the video. Don't go and search any other link. You'll be scammed. Use only the link in the description of the video, guys. I think that is it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Peace.